Hello there, my YouTube crafting family. Thank you for stopping by and welcome back. I am getting my swap back from Maria. She is the one that I swapped the envelope stack with. And I just wanted to show you all the goodness that was inside the box. That is so cute. So I'm probably going to litter somebody's box with this. Let me remove this and show you what she has sent me. Okay guys, this is the main attraction, so we will open that one last. And so let's go ahead and open the packages that she has included in the swap. And this is a little container from Dollar Tree in this cute little bag. She has put like a fabric flower on here. That is so cute. Okay, so we open it up and the little tab is right there, and it looks like she has included a bunch of goodies in here. Look at that. So, oh, look at that. She's got little sequin or little shaker bits in there. She's got some buckles in here. And this is a big old butterfly, an acrylic butterfly. That is so pretty. And this is another one, another green one. Oh, wow. I can use these right now for spring. And these great big beads. Isn't that pretty? Oh, my goodness. Those are gorgeous. Love those. Thank you, Maria. She's got a little tassel in here. Green, pink. She's got the smaller ones. There's the scatter. She's got some pink ones. She's got these, oh, look at this big old thick, oh, this is a bead. Oh, awesome. This is a bead, a star bead. Here's a couple more. She's got the word beads right here. And she's got little beads. I don't have any of those, any of them. That's so pretty. Thank you, Maria. I will enjoy all of it. Thank you. So that's what was in that little container. Okay. And then we have, let's get this one next. This is a rosette. Oh, rosette one. It looks that she has made. And this one is also in a cute little bag. It's a pretty bag. That is so pretty. So it's probably a Daiso bag as well. And look at this wand, guys. This is big. It's a two-sided wand. That is so pretty. She's got a doily. Well, okay, first of all, she's got this big old rosette in the center. And then she's got a doily on this side with a crepe paper rosette. She's got a couple of little chipboard pieces here. Look at this bow. Isn't that pretty? I love that bow. And then on this side, she's got another doily, and it says it's a beautiful day. She has stapled that on there. And below that, she has got another crepe paper rosette. Very, very pretty. And then she has included this gorgeous envelope. It says Life Collected right here. So she has stitched this paper all the way across. She has used a doily at the bottom, some gold leaves on the side. This is so pretty. I'm going to reuse this, just so you know. And the back opens with Velcro. And she has included some bows. Yes. I like that. I really do. I'm going to reuse the envelope. I totally am. And then here are 4 bows, the couple of little butterflies in the background. She's got really pretty centers. Look at these. That just looks like crystal, doesn't it? And then she's got some flowers. She's got this beautiful aquamarine, almost. Aquamarine is what I'm guessing that color is. And then this pretty peach one right there. Very, very pretty. Thank you for the bows. We can always use bows. And then she has another package, another beautiful bag. And let me see what this is. That is so pretty. I love that bag. So let me see. She has included a couple of chipboard pieces. It says spring has sprung. And actually, I'm probably going to use this, the Voices Spring. I'm probably going to use these 2 here really soon in my next tutorial. Probably. Thank you, Maria. I more than likely am. So I'm going to set it over here on my table where it's going to be totally visible. And then she sent me this little notepad. I'm thinking it's a notepad. And yeah, it is. Like it. Yes, ma'am. And I like this little cover. It's got this plastic cover on it so I can just throw it in my purse and, you know, and it'll be all right. I like that. And then she put a pin in here. Very pretty floral. It's got, whoop, I wanted to see what that cap was. This is cap? Oh, it's an eraser. Oh, it's a pencil. Oh, okay. It is a pencil. There we go. I thought it was, I don't know what I thought it was. I wanted to check it out. Nice. Okay, got it. Sweet. Thank you, Maria. And then she included this little box, and I have no idea what this box is. Daiso Cosmetics. Yes, they're blotting tissues. You know what, Maria? I am going out of state on the 14th. I am definitely going to take this with me. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, so let's go on to the main attraction. Let me move this stuff in here. So let me flip it over. I don't know if anything's going to come out the back, but let me flip it over so you guys can see. This is the top of envelope that was supposed to be standing, and it is up on an easel. And then these are her 3 envelopes, and then she's got her thick envelopes in there as well, her dimensional envelopes. And she's tucked in all this trim here and there, green and pink, and she's got the clear one, not clear, but white. And this trim is so pretty. She's got it all throughout. She's got a paper clip here. And then she's got her, it's a little ring, and it's the pull for the drawer. She's got this really pretty paper in the background, some pink, almost pom-pomish trim on the front, the tiny gold bow. And then for the top of her envelope, she has put some butterflies on here. She's got this gorgeous green faux leather bow with that beautiful center. She's got some roses here. This was green, and she's got the really pretty shabby colors. Look at this little bird right here. Isn't he cute? He's adorable. And then some eyelash trim in the back. She's got this other flower in the front, and it looks like she's put a foam ball center with the little spray on the top. And then I like this little butterfly. It looks like she made that one. And then this one's flying away with some bling right in the center. And then she made some flowers, some fabric flowers, it looks like. Very, very pretty. I don't know if you could see all that. There we go. There we go. Very pretty. And then on her sides are just a pretty, this one she wrapped in tulle. That's so cool. I didn't think about that. And the green, look, she tucked some flowers in there. That is so cool. And then so she's got flowers all around her envelope. Look at the back. Oh, this is so pretty. It looks like there is felt under there, and then a layer of tulle. Yep, that's what it looks like. Some flowers on the corners. She's decorated the back. Put a big flower here. Another handmade flower here. And a rose right there. And then on the side, she's got another flower. She's got some eyelash trim going all the way around. There we go. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. So I am going to open her envelope, and she's used Velcro. And then inside her envelope, she has put some flowers in there. Oh, thank you. That looks like a like a baby pink. I don't know if that if the camera's picking that up. That is so pretty. Thank you, Maria. I really like those. Oh, I love those actually. So she put some flowers in there, and she's got her Velcro closure. And then on the, right here in the front drawer, oh, she has put her, let me see what she's put in here. So in here are her cards. Yeah, there we go. This is her first card. She has sewn, she has stitched some crepe paper all the way across with this cute little flower. And then she's got this card. No, this is the envelope for the card. Oh, nice. Okay, they match. And then she's got some little cute little bags. It looks like she made these. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I just love this vinyl. Oh my goodness, those are so cute. A little bow came out. I don't know if it was supposed to be on something, but it is a cute little bow. And then she's got a tassel on this side. Very pretty. Thank you, Maria. And then she's got some more of that shred in here. Very, very nice. Velcro closure. And in this one, she has got, oh, these are authentic life cards. Oh, how pretty, with some beautiful, beautiful trim right here. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Let's look at those life cards. Pocket crafting cards, 3x4s. Oh, how pretty. Look at that one. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, so let me look. They're two-sided. Oh, these are so pretty. I like these. Thank you, Maria. I can think of plenty to do with these. Very, very pretty. Love them. I love authentic. And then in the next one, it's also got the Velcro closure. And in here, she has got sequin mix. They're sewn shut. Look at that. They are sewn shut. I'm not gonna want to. It's got little fillers in there, and it's got tiny little hearts and circles, and oh, with the gold thread. That is so pretty. How can I cut it open? That is so pretty. Thank you, Maria. Okay, now moving on to the back. In the back, she also has something. She's got some more, well, these are a combination of, I don't know if it's just the petals, but it's a flower and then the paper flower in the center. Very pretty. Thank you, Maria. And then in the next little pocket, she has got, okay, she's got this card. How pretty is that little rosette? So cute on a toothpick. So adorable. And then you open it up, and I think this is her other card, because we were required to have 2 cards. And I think the first one did have 1 or 2, it just had 1. And then this is her other card. How cool is that? Oh, I just love that little flower. The little swan. Thankful for you. You make life beautiful. There's that one. And then in the next cubby, she has got some more flowers. Very pretty. I like these. I love those colors. Very pretty. Thank you, Maria. And in the last little cubby, she has got some more bows. And look at these bows. So these are more bows. So the little ruffled trim at the bottom, and this faux, it looks like faux leather maybe. No, not leather, but it is very shiny. And then she's got all these beautiful bows. This one's so iridescent. Look at that. And then look at the mix inside, guys. That is so pretty. I I don't know if I'm supposed to cut it open. Maria, you'll have to let me know if I'm supposed to cut it open. Super, super cute. All right, guys, that was my swap share with you guys. That is what my partner made me. And oh, I hadn't even noticed. Look at the feet, guys. She's got these tiny little pearls on there. She's got tiny little pearls on there. That's so cute. But that is my swap from my partner. Thank you so much, Maria. It is very, very beautiful. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.